What's up guys, welcome to another structural BIM tutorial, and today I'm going to take a look at how we can download and install the latest update of the Titan add-on for Advanced Steel. So I'm on the Titan website. I will put a link in the description so you can get to the same page, and you'll see there is now a new update for Titan, which is 1.7. So this sort of plugin is split into a free version and then a pro version. And you can see if you scroll down, the available features in the free version are some of the things around materials, filters, roles, layers, and then when you get to the pro version you get some nicer stuff where you've got camera numbering, building grid generator, which I've covered in a previous video, drawing list, prelim list, bolt lists. So I'm going to install the pro version just to show you. So I'm going to download Titan 1.7, so simply click the link. Save the file, and then once it downloads, click the MSI to install. So once I run the MSI, I can now run the install, so I can click next. Then I can choose install. Now it runs the install, it copies, removes the files, and you can see it's a pretty quick install. Click finish, and now we can launch Advanced Steel and see what this add-on looks like. So back on my desktop, I can launch Advanced Steel, and let's see if this has worked and installed. So I'm just going to start a blank drawing. So click the Start Drawing button, and this will open up a blank Advanced Steel template. So the thing to note is not to look for a new tab at the top. It is based upon the tool palette. So down on my tool palette you will see I have at the bottom Titan, and I click into it and I now have the latest install. If I go to info, you will see that I've now got all the install information and the license info, and you can see which version I'm running and when it was installed. So that's all pretty good. And then just taking a look at it, you've got all the tools that we've got the assembly specification, the assembly list, and then we've got stuff down here that will do what group it's in, assembly by layers, no detail level, and you just click the command and then it will work as required. So there's the building generator I did before for the grids, and you can see quickly and easily it's built a very simple grid system. So that's the install for Titan done and dusted. I will have a few further videos showing some of the functionality at a later date. So if you've not already subscribed, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you all soon.